Today we are going to perform a basic field strip disassembly and reassembly of the SIG Sauer P365. The first thing you're going to do with any weapon is to ensure that the weapon is safe. While pointing the gun in a safe direction, remove the source of the ammunition. Then you're going to take your slide, bring it back, lock it up with your slide lock, get a visual and a physical inspection. And now we know the weapon is safe. Then you're going to take this slide lock, rotate it down in a 90-degree angle. Then from here, you can bring your slide back to its original position. And as you can see, the slide is a little bit forward of the frame. From here, you should not have to pull the trigger to release this slide. You should be able to just push it and slide it right off. If you do have to pull your trigger, please go ahead and contact SIG. That's what I would do. Then now you have your dual catheter recoil spring. I'm going to press in and upward to remove it. Then I'm going to take my barrel. I'm going to lift it, slide it forward, then take the barrel out. Now you have your basic field strip of your SIG Sauer P365. In order to reassemble this weapon, you're going to take your slide, grab your barrel, place it back in. Then you're going to grab your dual catheter recoil spring. Make sure that you're putting the correct size into the weapon. This part goes towards the chamber. This part goes towards the muzzle. Push it a little bit, bring it down. Make sure that your recoil spring is flush with the weapon. After that, you're going to grab your frame, slide it on, bring it back, lock it up. Now you can take your slide lock, push it back up, bring your gun back to its original position, and now you have completed reassembling your SIG Sauer P365.